Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is homemade beef burger. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do is we prepare a tray and we're gonna cut some greaseproof paper. To put the greaseproof paper on top of the tray. Now we're gonna peel and finely chop the shallot. Remember, always when you try to do a recipe, make sure that you bought all the ingredients before. Double check that you've got everything in the cupboard. So when you do the recipe, you don't have to look for food. So now we're gonna finely chop the shallot and put it into this bowl. If it's not that fine, it's alright. As long as you aim for small shallot, that's good. So now we're gonna put the shallot into this bowl and then we're gonna finely chop the meat. For the meat, you can use ribeye, sirloin, and or fillet. All three cuts are good. I'm using ribeye steak because it has that fat running through the meat and that give us more tasty hamburgers. Gonna finely chop the meat. Another thing why I do love to do homemade burgers at home is because this way I know what meat I'm using with the hamburgers. In contrast, when you buy the hamburgers from outside, we don't know what kind of meat they put into the hamburger. So basically we can't be sure and we can't eat it raw when you buy from outside. But when you do it at home, you know which meat you used, you know the butcher. So that way you are much more safer. When I finally chop the meat, okay, now we're gonna add the meat into this bowl. Then we're gonna add some English mustard and egg yolk. It's not whole egg, it's only the egg yolk. It's the egg yolk. I can do another one. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna add some salt. Do not hold back with the salt because the salt is gonna help us get the mixture together. It is called a binding agent. Okay, so that's the salt. Now we're gonna give it a good mix up. And we're gonna shape the burgers by hand. You don't need any equipment, you just shape the burgers by hand. That is the mixed up. Now to shape the burgers, we're gonna take some meat, roll it, our hand, and flatten. I can take some more meat in here. Round and then flattened up. This way. I'm gonna roll it up, do a ball, sorry, nice shape ball, and then just flatten like that. Nice ball with our hand. It's a bit messy job, but the result will be very, very, very nice. Flat the hamburger and leave it onto a tray. I'm gonna wash my hands. Now, by this time, if you have time, you can put the hamburgers into the refrigerator so they can chill and set. But if you don't have time, we're gonna continue with the recipe. So now we're gonna turn on the grill. Then we're gonna turn on a frying pan on a full heat and add some oil. While we are waiting on the grill and the frying pan to heat up, we're gonna prepare the brioche onto a tray. And we leave them on the side for later. And we're gonna pick up some lettuce, wash it, take the bottom and with your hand take some leaves out, fill it in with cold water, and we leave it here. So by the time we prepare the rest of the ingredients, it will freshen up. Now we're gonna prepare the tomato if you love tomato, if you want to add tomato into your hamburger. And cut slices of tomato. And we prepare the tomato onto this plate. Now, the cheese. We're gonna slice the cheese. And prepare it onto this plate. So, when the hamburger is ready, if you want to add cheese, obviously. So that is prepared, tomato and cheese. Now we're gonna cook the hamburgers. As you can see, the oil is hot. We're gonna add the burgers. Gentle. And we're gonna cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. For ingredients and step-by-step method with pictures, please do log in on our website robnjays.com or like us on our Facebook page robnjays. You can also follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, at around 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna turn them around and finish them under the grill. Okay? You can turn them around nicely. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful. Like that, nice and easy. And while we are waiting on this side to cook, we can grill the brioche under the grill and drain the leaves. We can leave them here draining the leaves. By this time, we make sure that we don't forget the brioche because they grill in no time at all. We can prepare a tray so we can transfer the hamburgers onto a tray to finish them under the grill. Let me check. Maybe another 30 seconds and the brioche will be ready. We can clean down. Let me check. A little bit more. Now, if you want the hamburger well done, we can transfer them on the tray and finish them in the oven and then add the cheese and tomato. If you want them rare or medium rare, we can finish them now. the brioche is ready nicely. We can switch off the frying pan and transfer the hamburgers in there. I'm gonna leave one for little Caesar later, that is ready for him. And finish these two. Like I told you, if you want them well done, finish them in the oven. If you want them medium rare, we're gonna finish them now. I'm gonna add some tomato in there and some cheese, which we prepared before. And we finish them under the grill, so the cheese will melt a little bit in there. By the time we are waiting on the cheese to melt, we can prepare the plate, the hamburgers, the bottom of the burger bun. We're gonna put the bottom, add a little bit mayonnaise if you want to, always the bottom of the burger bun. We're gonna add the lettuce and the hamburger with the cheese. Look at that. Remember to switch off the grill at this stage. Beautiful. And the top. Can you beat that? No, I don't think you can. Homemade beef burger. For more videos, please click the right hand button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.